Hey there, fellow lawn enthusiasts. Today we're going to talk about a game-changing product that will revolutionize your lawn care routine. Introducing the 45 PCS Trimmer Blade Lawnmower Grass Replacement Trimmer Cutter Piece for Husqvarna Automower Gardena Robotic Lawnmower. If you're tired of spending countless hours trimming and mowing your lawn, then this product is definitely for you. With 45 pieces of high-quality trimmer blades, you'll be able to tackle even the toughest patches of grass with ease. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly replacing worn-out blades, because these durable trimmer pieces are built to last. Not only will this product save you time and effort, but it will also give your lawn a crisp and clean finish that will be the envy of your neighborhood. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly this trimmer cutter piece glides through your lawn, leaving behind a perfectly manicured look. The benefits don't stop there. By investing in this product, you'll also be taking a step towards a more environmentally friendly lawn care routine. With its efficient cutting action, you'll be using less energy and producing less waste, all while maintaining a beautifully groomed lawn. So, what are you waiting for? Take your lawn care game to the next level with the 45 PCS Trimmer Blade Lawn Mower Grass Replacement Trimmer Cutter Piece. Don't miss out on the opportunity to simplify your lawn maintenance and achieve professional-looking results. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this must-have product today. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more game-changing lawn care tips and product reviews. Let's make lawn care fun and effortless together.